1 up, down, 2 up, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ready, 11 up, stay there and stay strong, Naukasanam, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Setu Bandhasanam. 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 3, down, 4, 5, come on, lift more, 6, lift more, mid back and upper back, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up, stay there, lift heel, lift mid foot, stand on foot fingers, now lift left leg, both hands take support at lower back, lift left leg, come on left leg, make it 90, stay there, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Join forehead left kneecap, so right leg in air. 2, join forehead right kneecap, so left leg in air. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, stay there, join forehead left kneecap, so right leg in air. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markatasanam. Separate foot, knee, thigh from left side. 1 left. Total push down, hip joint, thigh, kneecap. Both kneecaps should be touch the mat, should be touch the floor. 2 right. Don't lift elbow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total push down, hip joint, thigh, kneecap. 9, రెండు మోకాలు కింద నేలను టచ్ చేయాలి. 10, 11 on left side, stay there, head facing right side, Markatasanam. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Butterfly. Come on, move fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parvatasanam. 1. Sarpasanam. 2. Parvatasanam. 3. Sarpasanam. 4. Parvatasanam. 5. 6. 7. Look up, see the roof. 8. Look down, find your stomach. 9. Look up, see the roof. 10. Find your abdomen. 11. 12. Sashankashanam. Parvatasanam. Right foot just beside right hand outside mat.